how to create a high converting landing page on HubSpot. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a high converting landing page on HubSpot. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up HubSpot website on your PC or laptop. After that, log in or sign up to your account, then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is click on marketing located in the top bar. Now click on create, then on landing page. Accordingly, enter your domain and page name. From here, you can select any template or theme for your landing page, or you can also edit by your own. Scroll down and select landing page as a template. Then click on select template button. Here you just need to add the logo or other stuff and customize color or fonts. Scroll down, there you'll see written no form selected, click on it. Choose a form from side menu. Then you'll be able to customize it. After that, click on settings tab. Now customize your URL or domain and enter the page title. Next, click on optimize tab where you can review your content. Then on publishing option. You've option for publish page now or schedule for later and unpublished page. So that's how you can create a high converting landing page on HubSpot. That's all for this video.